Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to 3D print your own plant stand. You only need a few things for that: a 3D printer, some wood, and a few screws. And how this works, I will show you now. Welcome to my first video on YouTube. For the beginning, we start with some 3D printing. My version of the plant stand has 3 platforms for the plants. But if you want to have more than that, you can easily print some more and add them to yours. I added these little dovetail joints for a quick and easy assembly, and I will show you later in the video. The entire printing process took me about 6 hours. That includes the 3 large plates where the plants are standing on, a few adapter pieces for the wooden slats, and the matching parts for the dovetail joints. So all in all, not a lot of material. After removing some support material, which is very satisfying to peel off, we can start cutting the wood. We need 3 legs and 2 sleds to support them, ensuring a stable and sturdy plant stand. And here's everything we need to build our plant stand. We have 2 longer legs of equal length, 1 shorter leg that's about 2/3 the size, and the 2 slats. Then there are all the 3D printed parts, including the 3 platforms, the adapter pieces for the slats, and the dovetail parts that will be screwed onto the legs. As an extra assembly aid, I also printed a drill hole jig to help align the holes on the round leg, which can be quite tricky. Here, you can see me using the jig to drill all the holes needed to attach one part of the dovetail joints directly to the leg, which will then be screwed in place. I also forgot to mention that I printed these, I call them shoes, for the feet of the plant stand. They add extra stability thanks to the larger surface area. Now we're getting to the exciting part: assembling the first pieces. The dovetail joints are perfect for connecting part A to part B, as they form a very sturdy connection. Another great advantage is that no screws are visible, and the plant stand can be easily disassembled. After connecting the 2 longer legs with the top platform and attaching the middle platform to the shorter leg, I can now eyeball where we need to drill the next holes for the remaining dovetail connectors. And for the final step, and a bit of extra stability, we need to screw the connecting pieces for the sleds into place. I didn't have exact measurements for this, so I just used some tape to position them roughly where it looked right to me. This part was a little tricky because I had to drill the holes from the inside. Next time, I think I'll print a jig for these parts as well so I can drill them from the outside. I use these connecting pieces because they make it much easier to attach a rectangular sled to a round surface. The connectors have the exact same radius as the legs. And that's it. The plant stand is ready to use. As you can see, I picked up these plant pot drip trays at the hardware store. When designing the platforms, I used their exact measurements to make sure everything fits perfectly. I also think the combination of white and frosted transparent plastic looks really nice together. Let me know in the comments below what you think about my 3D printed plant stand. If you'd like to build one yourself, check out the link in the description. It'll take you to my Makerworld account where you can download the STL files for your 3D printer. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. If you don't want to miss it, just leave a follow, and we'll see each other in the next one. Peace.